Hello guys. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So y'all know when the winter months come around, I like to make my own body wash. Even though I buy this, I like to just make it. Why? Because I can add more moisturizer to it when the winter comes, and I like to add my Skin So Soft to it, and I also like to add some lavender to make it like a scrub. So when you're gonna make soap, I have my container here that we use, the double boiler. I've already shredded a bar of soap and I got it in there. This is the residue from this body wash, so I rinse it. Instead of getting rid of it, I put it in here. So that's one. Two. And we're gonna add some Skin So Soft, because this is going to give us the moisturizer. And I got some cocoa butter that I got to get. One, two, we'll do 3 of these. Go a long way. So like when you're taking your shower in the winter months, you get that moisturizer that you need, okay? Nothing like having that moisturizer. Now we're going to add some of this lavender. And this is to exfoliate. Okay, 1, 2, okay, and if you wanted to add you're looking for okay. So, if you wanted to add essential oils or whatever to this, you could. So, this is 1 bar soap, and we'll say if this was in cups, we'll say this will be 4 cups of water. So, when you do it, you use the cheese grater to definitely get it going so that it don't take a long time. So do a little bit of peppermint oil and whatever essential oils you want, you can put in there. Okay? We want this to be a moisturizing bar. So, but basically, take your olive oil and you shred it, and cheese shredder. It'd be flying all around, so I just kind of just take it and just shred it, okay? Take it and just shred it. It's soap, so it can go on the counter. Because when I tried to make it go in a bowl, it don't just go in a bowl. It be going all over. So you just shred it. And to 1 bar of soap to 3 cups of water. Okay? So just make it your way, okay? Add whatever moisturizer, whatever oils, whatever you want in it. Recycle your olive oil, hydrating body wash, and then you can make your own. You can add whatever essential oils you want to it. And I like to do this because I like to make mine, and I love to have my stuff really moisturized. So yeah, make your own body wash. And once that heats up and get all melted, don't put it right in a bottle. I let it sit out overnight, and then it thickens back up. Then we're gonna put it in a bottle tomorrow. So make your own body wash. Add whatever oils. And the Skin So Soft, I get that from eBay, and that's kind of expensive. That's like about That one is like $28. But you know, Skin So Soft, a little goes a long way. But it definitely gives you the moisturizer in the winter months, okay? So, make you some body wash. And I got the coconut oil up there. I'm refined, so it's like this. I'm going to have to melt that in there too. They're cutting grass. It's going to get loud. So, okay, guys. Make your own body wash. All right, toodles. Okay, guys. So, I have melted all of the soap. So the soap is melted and it's hot. So we're going to add some more benefits to this body wash. Like, hey, I can just buy my oil of Olay. Why do I have to make it? Well, you could do a lot of things to it. So we're going to add some honey to this. And then we're going to have Alexa to tell y'all how good honey is when you add it to your body wash. Alexa, is honey good for your skin when you add it to your body wash?
Can be beneficial for your skin when added to body wash. It's a natural humectant that draws moisture into your skin and has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These qualities may help with wound healing, reducing inflammation, and potentially improving skin appearance.
Thank you. Now,
you're welcome. Happy to help you explore natural skincare ingredients.
This is turmeric. Alexa, is turmeric good for adding it to your body wash to improve your skin health?
Turmeric can be beneficial for skin health when added to body wash. It contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may help reduce inflammation, promote healing, and potentially improve skin tone.
See that? So that's why we making our own body wash. Okay, one last thing. Alexa, is sugar good to add to your body wash as an exfoliant to remove dead skin?
Yes, sugar is an excellent natural exfoliant for body wash. It gently removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and brighter. Sugar scrubs can also stimulate collagen production and improve the effectiveness of moisturizers.
Alexa, is vitamin E good to add to your body wash?
Vitamin E is an excellent addition to body wash for skin health. It's a powerful antioxidant that can help moisturize your skin, protect against UV damage, and support overall skin health.
Thank you, Alexa.
You're so welcome. Glad I could help with your skincare questions.
So, not only have we added all of these moisturizers, but we also did the sugar for the exfoliating, the honey, the turmeric, adding the moisture. So this is a great body wash. And if you look up turmeric body wash and honey body wash and all that type of stuff, and they can be very expensive, but hey, just add this to your body wash. If you already got it, you can add it, or you can shred a bar of soap and you can make your own. So I'm gonna kind of show y'all what it looks like. As it's hot, but we got to let this get to room temperature so it can thicken up. I'm wiping my camera off because you know how you flip with the camera. So this is what it's looking like, and this is in hot form. It's hot, and it's right now it's soupy. So when it sits, it's going to thicken up, because remember we melted those soap pieces and the water and stuff is still hot. So once this wind up thickening up, then it is going to get very thick, and then we're going to put it in here and it'll be ready for the body wash bottles. But yes, I love making stuff like this. I love making it, and it is going to be amazing for your skin. Amazing. So yes, Auntie like making stuff. When I learned the art of making stuff, it's like I fall in love with it. But I love creating all of my own type of, you know what I mean, little remedies and stuff like that. So yes, you got to try this out, and especially if you have problematic skin. So I have problematic skin. So I'm always trying to improve my overall skin. So now we're just going to let this sit to thicken up, and then we're going to put it in here and it'll be ready to go. All right, guys, I will see you guys. I'm going to load this video, but tomorrow we're going to come back and I'm going to show y'all how thick that it's gotten before we get ready to put it in there. I put it in something clear so you can see it needs to thicken up. You don't want to put it in there while it's hot. You need to let it sit, solidify, because remember we melted all this soap, and it's got to come back together and it's going to thicken up, and then it's going to be a thick body wash. You don't put it in there while it's hot because it can also melt the bottle. All right, toodles. So Auntie is a real soap maker. Say hello to my little friend. It's gonna mix all of my stuff up really good. Okay, mixing it up. This is a stick blender, so. So when you make like real soap, you use this stick. So if y'all watch some of my videos way back, Auntie made real soap too with the lime. So I'm like, oh, where's my little friend? So I pulled out my little friend just to mix everything up. But it's just me doing the most. Yeah. All right. Toodles.